This tutorial provides a brief description of the features under the HR menu. The HR menu contains features for managing sensitive information for employees and contractors. Licenses will open a list with filter options for finding and managing license records. Licenses allow you to track broker, business, driving, or any other kind of license information, including expiration dates. Personnel files will take you to a list with filter options for finding and managing personnel file records, also sometimes referred to as HR records. Personnel files allow you to track employee or contractor details, including their compensation history and commission split plans. If you have any questions about any part of this tutorial series, you can contact our support team for more information.